What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about 5 things that you can start doing to boost your appearance. These 5 things are not only gonna boost your looks, but they're also gonna make you feel like an unstoppable man. And now that's something that I speak about on this channel a lot as we cover fashion, fitness, lifestyle, and grooming, and becoming the best version of yourself. Now, if you are interested in any of those things, go ahead and subscribe to my community as I'm posting content like this every single week. I don't want you to miss it. I feel like this first one is very overlooked as it's something that we probably neglect as men. Now that is taking care of your nails, trimming your nails. Now this is super important. Just think about this for a second, guys. If you go out for a job interview, you're sitting down at the table, you guys are looking at the paperwork, you guys are checking out your resume, and the guy looks over and you have disgusting nails, you have dirt in your nails are long, you already don't look put together. You don't want to give off that impression because I guarantee you, you have a lot more in you that's a lot better. But unfortunately, sometimes we get neglected because of our overall physical appearance. So let's cover that part right now in this video and get you ahead. This is super important for those of you that work in a professional environment to make sure your nails are tidy and clean. This can be seen as unprofessional and take away credibility from yourself. When girls start to notice that you're doing your nails, you're taking care of yourself. When you're taking care of yourself in general, girls love a guy that has a self-care system. They like a guy that is put together. They like a guy that has routine. This is gonna make your hands look more polished and attractive. Now again, there's nothing wrong for going for a mani and pedi as a man. I personally go probably every 2 months, every month, depending on how I feel, because I just like going there, kind of relaxing in the spa, just chilling. It's a nice feeling to do that for yourself. It's a good feeling to take time for yourself and put it towards something that is important. If you are someone that doesn't have time to do that, then you have to go get yourself a nail trimmer and actually upkeep this at your house. The best time to cut your nails is probably when your hands are a lot warmer. So what you want to do is you want to place your hands under warm water first, and then you would start cutting your nails. Now, another way to boost your looks is obviously to take care of your skin. I know I talk a lot about moisturizing your skin, how important it is, but what about exfoliating your skin? Guys, in the shower, I usually use a scrubber or a hand exfoliator to remove the dead skin cells that sit on top of our skin. This is super important. When you start going to the shower, make it a routine. You start exfoliating your skin, and this is something you don't have to be aggressive with. If you already have the hand glove, the exfoliator, then it's gonna make it super easy for you to remove those dead skin cells off your body. Now, obviously, the best time to do this is in the shower when your body is already warm and it's heated, because it's gonna make it easier to remove those dead skin cells. Now, not only are you removing the dead skin cells off your body, but you're also making it easier to circulate and produce new skin cells. Now, because this does sound very time consuming, obviously you're in the shower and you're rubbing yourself with this exfoliator, it's obviously just sounds like a lot of work. So I'm here to tell you that it only takes twice a week to get the job done. This is gonna make it very efficient. This is gonna allow you to remove those dead skin cells. Now, for myself, because I do work out a lot, I noticed that I develop a lot of back knee. So for myself, it's very important that I actually scrub my back to make sure those pimples don't get worse, because I'm constantly sweating in the compression shirts, the cotton shirts, the Nike Pro shirts. So it's very important that when you do shower, you remove this. So obviously when you are using this product, I want you to use it in a circular motion so that you're not rubbing against your skin. So very important, circular motion. Now, when you are trying to do your back, there are scrubs that have an extended head so that you can eventually get down towards your back area and scrub that area to remove the dead skin cells. So on the days that you do this, it's even more important to moisturize your skin after the shower. You wanna find a moisturizer that is gonna rehydrate your skin because you just rubbed your skin with the exfoliator. I guarantee when you start going out and you start taking off your shirt in public, you start going to the beach, you're going to the pool, you're going on vacation, you're gonna feel a lot more confident about yourself because you take care of yourself. Now on this channel, we talk about being the best version of yourself. And now, how do you become the best version of yourself? Well, to become the best version of yourself, you have to win the morning. And that means setting an alarm the night before and getting up early, having routine, having structure. This is so important to become productive in your day-to-day routine. Now, you waking up early, you're probably thinking, but how is this gonna boost your looks? This is gonna boost your looks because your confidence is up, you're gonna feel good, you're gonna feel like you already accomplished something. So already you're boosting that energy in your body. So by waking up early, you have more time to be more productive, which means you can have more time for self-care, working out. Now, even for myself, I find when I start waking up earlier, I actually fall asleep a lot easier at nighttime because I'm tired. So this is gonna help with your overall sleep quality. Now, waking up early is also gonna reduce your stress levels because now you have all this time in the morning to think about your day. Okay, what do I have today? I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. Your schedule's gonna be more put together. This can help reduce stress and allow you to start your day in a calm and reduced manner. Now, especially if you're someone that likes to eat in the morning, I personally love eating breakfast. So if I don't get up early, I'm gonna feel very stressed out that I have to rush and make my breakfast. The best thing to do is to have that time with your morning coffee, your morning breakfast, your bacon and eggs, with your toast, your avocado. This is gonna already set you up for the day to win. And when you feel better, you're instantly gonna look better. And this becomes very addicting. I'm gonna tell you why. Let's say you're out with your friends and you're out at night and it's getting late. You're gonna be like, hey guys, you know what? I gotta go. I gotta wake up early. I got my thing to do tomorrow. You're gonna seem like you have so much going for yourself. You're gonna seem like you're very productive. It becomes a very addicting feeling when you start caring about this, when you start having that regulated routine every single day, because you know how much you can get done in that day and it becomes very exciting. Okay, so another topic here that's gonna boost your looks, all right? Now we talk about brushing your teeth, obviously, using mouthwash, flossing your teeth. But what about actually replacing the head of your toothbrush every 3 months? I feel like sometimes we neglect that. It is absolutely disgusting if you're sitting there watching this video and you've been using the same head of your toothbrush for the past 6 months to a year. Guys, I need you to start replacing this every 3 months. Think about if you were sick for a month and you were still using this toothbrush. It's kind of gross that you're putting all those germs back in your mouth, right? So if let's say you are sick, it's time to change your toothbrush. It's very important for your overall oral hygiene. Now, a new toothbrush head will have stronger bristles, which will make it a lot easier and more effective when you start brushing your teeth. You will not have to be as aggressive with your mouth and actually push on your teeth because the bristles are new, they're firm, and they're stronger. So it's gonna give you a better cleaning in your mouth. Now imagine this old toothbrush has a lot of bacteria on it. It's gonna cause bad breath because of all the old bacteria on the toothbrush. You're probably sitting there watching this video and you're wondering, but I brush my teeth twice a day. And I'm happy about that. That's very good that you're in that routine already. But the old bacteria that's sitting on that toothbrush can actually cause bad breath when you start going out because you haven't exchanged it in a long time, bro. It's the same toothbrush you've been using. So all that bacteria is gonna end up back in your mouth. Now on this channel, I speak a lot about body odor and overall body hygiene. Now to boost this for yourself even more, I want you to start putting on deodorant before you go to bed. By using deodorant before you go to bed, you're actually gonna help control the body odor throughout the night and into the next day, which is gonna help you feel a lot more confident about your smell. Now, especially if you're the guy that has bad sweats during the night, the deodorant is actually gonna help you control the sweating throughout the night. Another reason why using deodorant before you go to bed is actually for your overall skin health. This is gonna help the bacteria on your skin underneath your armpit. So I personally love showering before I go to bed because I just feel like it really calms my body down. So this is already an easy step for me to just put on deodorant before I get into my bed. It just takes an extra 2 seconds for that self-care routine to kick in. And that's how I want you to feel when you watch these videos. I want you to be and take yourself to that next level of becoming an unstoppable man. So if I have done that in this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video as it really helps on my channel grow. And I'll see you all in the next video.